Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So just to activate silent mode or to turn it off, we should open the settings, then tap the sounds and haptics, and you'll see here silent mode switcher. So just click here to the switcher to activate silent mode or to turn it off. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control center and you'll see here just this bell icon. So click on this bell icon to activate silent mode or just to turn it off. And also we got one more way, the new way how we could activate or turn off the silent mode. The switcher just changed here in our new iPhones on this side button. And just if you wanna activate the silent mode or to turn it off, you should just hold this just button. So just now we could see that our device is on ring mode. To activate silent mode, you should hold it. Now device is on silent. To turn it off by the same way, hold it for a while to switch it to the ringtone one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.